Hello, Windows Analysis. We explore the Windows universe, performance, hidden settings, history, hacks, and updates. If you like understanding your system, stay tuned. Today, we are diving into a tool that can totally change how you use Windows. And you know what the best part is? It's free, it's official from Microsoft, and it is unbelievably powerful. All right, let's get real for a second. Does this look familiar? You're deep in your workflow, you've got a bunch of things going on, and your screen is just a complete mess. It's a jumble of windows overlapping each other. You spend more time just trying to organize everything, dragging windows around, than you do actually working. It feels like a losing battle, doesn't it? Or what about this classic scenario? You just got back from vacation, you dump all your photos onto your computer, and now you're staring at hundreds of files named things like image-4057. And now you get to do the fun task of renaming them, one by one. It's one of those mind-numbing chores that just eats up time you're never getting back. And this one is the absolute worst. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You're on a video call, someone's sharing a presentation, and you see some text on a slide you need to copy. But it's an image. You can't select it. Or you're trying to grab a quote from a photo and you're stuck typing it all out by hand. Ugh, what a pain. Well, what if I told you that for all of these problems, and so many more, there's one single solution? And the best part is, it comes straight from Microsoft itself. It's called PowerToys. So what is PowerToys, really? Well, think of it like a Swiss Army knife for Windows. It's a whole collection of awesome little utilities made for people who really want to get the most out of their system. You know, the power users. It's all about making Windows work exactly the way you want it to. Now, here's why you can trust it. First off, this isn't some shady third-party app. It is 100% official Microsoft. Second, it is completely, totally free. And third, and this is a big one for me, it's open source. That means there's a huge community of developers constantly making it better. But here's the catch. It's not installed by default. You actually have to go and get it. And don't go thinking this is some brand new thing. PowerToys has a long history. We're talking ancient in tech years. The first version came out way back for Windows 95. Yeah, seriously. The project kind of went to sleep for a while, but then in 2019, it came roaring back to life. And today, it's pretty much an essential tool for anyone serious about productivity on Windows 10 and 11. And getting it installed is, well, it's just ridiculously easy. You could probably do it right now. Just pop open the Microsoft Store, search for PowerToys, and hit install. That's it. For you command line wizards out there, you can also just use a simple Winget command. It seriously couldn't be simpler. Okay, so what do you get in this awesome toolkit? Let's take a look at some of the most powerful features. We're going to tackle that window chaos first, and then we're going to kill those boring, repetitive tasks for good. Let's do this. We are starting with a heavy hitter, and probably one of the best tools in the whole suite, FancyZones. This is the answer to your desktop clutter prayers. Look, we all know the standard Windows snap feature, right? You drag a window to the side, it fills half the screen. It's okay. It's good. But FancyZones, that's a whole different ballgame. Just imagine creating your own custom layouts for your screen. Any shape, any size. If you have an ultra-wide monitor, this is an absolute must-have. You can literally draw out your zones, splitting them up like you're playing with the digital Legos. And then you just hold the Shift key, drag a window, and boom, your custom layout appears. You drop the window into a zone, and it snaps perfectly. It is total control. All right, our windows are perfectly organized. Now let's go after another big time waster, renaming a ton of files. The tool for this job is called PowerRename. Remember all those vacation photos? With PowerRename, you just select all of them, right-click, and you'll see the PowerRename option. A little window pops up where you can do a simple find and replace across every single file name at once. But for you advanced users, this is where it gets crazy powerful. It supports regular expressions. Think of those as supercharged search formulas that let you automate almost any renaming pattern you can think of. It's a huge time saver. Okay, get ready, because this next one feels like actual magic. It's called Text Extractor, and it does exactly what it sounds like. It lets you copy text from literally anywhere. I'm serious. It doesn't matter if the text is in a photo, a paused YouTube video, or a system error message. You just hit a keyboard shortcut, draw a box around the text you want, just like taking a screenshot, and that text is instantly on your clipboard, ready to paste. Think about it. That locked PDF that won't let you select anything? No problem. That slide from a presentation? Done. Once you start using this, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Okay, let's move on to a personal favorite of mine. This is a tool that will make you practically forget the start menu even exists. Say hello to PowerToys Run. Just press Alt and Spacebar, and this sleek little search bar pops up. From here, you can do pretty much anything. Type the name of an app, it launches instantly. Search for a file, it's right there. You can even do quick math, like what's 50 times 3.14? Bam, there's the answer. You can convert units or even type shutdown to turn off your computer. It is incredibly fast and so efficient. So to finish up, let's do a quick lightning round of some of the smaller tools that just fix those little daily frustrations. These are the real quality of life improvements. Here's a great one. Awake. You know how your computer always seems to fall asleep at the worst possible time, like right in the middle of a huge download or when you're in the middle of a presentation? Well, with Awake, you just click a button and your PC stays on. No more digging through power settings. It's simple, but it's absolutely brilliant. So that was just a quick tour of some of the incredible things PowerToys can do. And as you can probably tell by now, this is so much more than just a random collection of tools. It really is a whole new philosophy for how you use your computer. Let's do a quick recap. So here's your cheat sheet. You've got FancyZones to finally take control of your desktop chaos. You've got PowerRename to stop wasting time on tedious file renaming. You've got Text Extractor to copy the uncopyable. And you've got PowerToys Run to launch and find things in a flash. And this really is the core idea. PowerToys lets you stop adapting to how Windows works, and instead it lets you make Windows adapt to how you work. And believe me, that changes everything. And that's it for today's analysis. If you liked it, subscribe, leave a like, and a comment. Let us know which one of these PowerToys you're most excited to try out. Enjoy tinkering, and see you in the next Windows analysis video.